Welcome to Beach Walk with Olivia. Curtains that are the morning glows, and every soft wave comes and goes, whispering something only the sea knows. Come take this summer walk with me. Olivia's walk by the sea. The tide rolls in with a gentle beat, pebbles shifting beneath our feet. The sun paints gold across the bay, turning a simple morning in the holiday. This is your beach walk with Olivia, where the breeze is warm and the world feels easier. Cicadas hum above the shore, a lazy rhythm asking nothing more than to slow down, breathe, explore. You can smell the pine trees in the air, a salty sweetness everywhere. In Zadar everything feels lighter, the colors brighter, the heart quieter. We pass the marina, calm and blue, boats rocking softly, a peaceful view. To the west, the islands glow in the sun, shadows drift and day just begun. Walk with Olivia, take it slow, follow wherever the soft waves go. The sea organ plays its deep low tune, music shaped by water and wind at noon. And near it the sun's salutation gleams, a circle of light, a floor of dreams, a place where evening dances in glowing beams. But for now, it's morning's gentle sway, a soft vacation kind of day. Feel the breeze brushing your skin, let the calmness settle in. This is summer's quiet melody, and you're walking here with me. So take another breath, let worries fall. Hear the waves, hear their call. In Zadar life feels simply free, and this moment is exactly where you're meant to be. This is Olivia's walk by the sea. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da.